Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to sync your Bose QuietComfort headphones. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Begin by sliding the power switch on your headphones to the on position. Next, ensure your device's Bluetooth is enabled and ready to find new devices. Finally, place your headphones into pairing mode by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button for about 2 seconds until you hear a prompt or see a flashing light. Once your headphones are in pairing mode, it's time to connect them to your chosen device. Navigate to your device's Bluetooth settings. You should see Bose QC or QuietComfort appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap on your headphone's name to initiate the connection. If prompted, confirm the pairing request on your device, and you should hear an audio cue indicating a successful connection. Your Bose QuietComfort headphones are quite smart, capable of remembering up to 8 different devices they've been paired with. If you have 2 devices actively connected, you can effortlessly switch between them using the intuitive Bose Connect application. This app also allows you to prioritize your most frequently used devices, ensuring a smooth and quick transition whenever you want to change your audio source without repairing. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup during the syncing process. If your headphones aren't connecting, a simple fix is to turn your device's Bluetooth off and then back on. For more persistent issues, you can clear your headphone's internal pairing list by holding the power switch for about 10 seconds. Always ensure your headphones have sufficient battery charge, as low power can sometimes affect connectivity and overall performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.